Nope.
Thanks for calling Dick's House.
Hey, yo.
For store hours.
Yeah, I was calling. I know you guys had the online raffle or draw for the Nike Mind Slides, the black ones. But I was calling to see, are y'all gonna have them in store tomorrow? And if so, is it gonna be first come, first serve, or how is that gonna work?
The black ones?
Yeah, the black ones,
The slides or the shoes?
the slides.
I think we're out.
You s- you said you're out of them.
Yeah, I'm not.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Okay, because there's I think they're supposed to release tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, my bad. They do release tomorrow. It's gonna be one per person.
Okay, and
They do release tomorrow.
what time do you guys open? Like, or when will they be available?
It'll be from 12 to 2.
Stop the cap.
12 to 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Man, if that ain't the biggest crock of bull.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man. It ain't trigonometry. You gotta.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. As you could tell by the intro, I was calling my local Dick's Sporting Goods, or DSG if you want to keep it kosher. And I was trying to find out about these Nike Mind Slides, the black ones. And man, it is always pulling teeth trying to talk to people. But allegedly, even though DSG did the draw and it was where they shipped to you on the app, if you call your stores or go in the stores, you can actually get these things. It's one per person, per what this cat said, but he also said it was from 12 to 2, and I call that cap. I'm going to be there when the store opens to get my pair, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to be able to do the same thing. But today we're going to be talking about this Nike Mind Slide, whether it's going to be sitting or selling out. And I think this is going to be a pretty quick video because this is the very first sneaker this year, in my opinion, that is going to be a big money maker. This right here, if you can get your hand on any of these Mind Slides, and you should be able to flip them. Even though $94 is outrageous for a slide, a mule slide, in my opinion, if you get your hand on this sneaker or this slide, you will be able to make double the profit. You definitely will not lose on these things. So with that being said, a lot of people like this technology or so-called technology, whatever. And this is a colorway that is all black, and all black everything always works out. So everybody always wants it. So everybody's going to be after it. The demand is going to be there. And as you guys can see on the screen, this is the current pre-sale of these things. They're over $200. All sizes are really close to $200. So this is a win-win for the normal consumer or a reseller. And even if you don't like this model of the maker of this shoe, based on the fact that it's all black, this is the one that people are going to be trying to get just to try it out. You know what I'm saying? So go out into your stores. I did, as you guys can see, I had the Next Time on the Foot Locker app. I didn't use any of my points to try to cop them, just because I'm saving those points for the 3D Kobe 6s. But from what I can tell from all my homies and stuff like that, nobody hit on these things when they entered the raffle, and some of them use points. So either they're going to get backdoored, or it's just that many people going for them and they're not hitting on the raffles. DSG still has not taken any money out of my account for the ship to me option. So I'm going to say that that's still available. I don't know if that's going to happen tomorrow or what. But yeah, man, these things are going to sell out. Hands down, they're out of here. Even on the Nike app. When it comes to the stock numbers on the Nike app, it really don't matter, man. They're going to sell out. They could have 200,000. It's still, these things will sell out, just because, again, this is the one that everyone wants. Outside of the red junk that everybody had, this is the one everybody wants. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions. Is this something y'all can go for? Sizing. Full size up on these things. And that might not even work for y'all. I'm going to be honest. The sizing is off on these things. But full size up on the slides. This is the 001, the 002. I think I heard them say full size up on those as well. I don't think either one of them come in half sizes. So I think it's just player safest to always go a size up. to be honest with you. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. This is gonna be a sticker y'all going for it. That's all I got for y'all. If you have the opportunity, go out in the stores, do your footwork, and I promise you, you'll be able to get your size. I'm telling you guys, it is sizes available out there. Do not limit yourself to just the sneakers app. Go out there and do your footwork. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the saying, man. Rockers like not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these slides. Just bake. With me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got